All right, let's talk about a pretty radical new idea for our digital identities. It's all about something called self-sovereign identity, or SSI. You control your data, right? But what if that total control is a problem? For big institutions, it creates a huge trust gap. So you want total control, but banks, they need data they can actually trust. See the problem? In that conflict, it's pretty much been the biggest hurdle for decentralized IDs going mainstream. Well, a company called LINKSPREED thinks they found a solution, something they call digital anchors. It's based on a pretty wild idea, immutable KV storage. Sounds complex, but it's simple. Think about it. This means things like your university degree could be permanently anchored to your ID.
Okay, but locking your data forever sounds kind of scary, right? Well, LinksBreed built in some serious safeguards.
It's all handled by a process they call high-privilege consent, and it has 3 key steps. Now, this whole idea has a huge consequence, especially for that delete button. Yep, once an anchor is set on your ID, you can't delete that data, or even your ID itself. So, doesn't that fly in the face of privacy laws, like GDPR's right to be forgotten? Here's the new rule. You can't just delete it. You have to ask the provider to remove it. And this gives institutions the legal audit trail they absolutely need to function. So what we're seeing is a move away from pure idealism to, well, a more hybrid reality. As LinksBreed puts it, for the whole system to work, individual freedom needs some limits. Which leaves us with a pretty big question. Is giving up some control the real price of digital trust?